Hey, what's up guys? Zaman here. Today I am going to talk about Dr.Bit. Dr.Bit is a copy trading platform, which means it allows you to copy deals of successful traders. As you know, more than 80% of crypto traders or investors lose their money because market trade 24/7 with high volatility, which make it difficult to make a decision to buy or sell. So the good thing is, you can join Dr.Bit to copy deals of successful traders. The link to this website is available in the video description. Dr.Bit connects investors with top digital asset managers so that you can share the profits. So first of all, you need to create an account here. Click on register button and enter your email address. Then enter the verification code, set the login password and check the tab I have read and agree and click on complete registration. You can earn profit in different ways on this website. You can copy successful traders, or you can become a top trader and provide copy trading services to other users to gain fee from their profit. And you can join their affiliate program and earn up to 15% commission from your friends. And now let me show you how it works and how to earn money with it. At the top, you can see different tabs. Click on top traders. You can see list of top and outperforming traders who showed stable profitable result during long period of time. As you can see, 30-day return on investment, profit and loss, and 30 days win rate. So you can see return on investment and profit and loss. So just imagine, if you put $1,000, how much you can get the profit. You can also open a profile of each trader and review a graph of his past performance and history of all previously closed deals. You can choose any of these traders and start to copy trade all his deals automatically. All deals will be executed on Binance exchange or OKX. They do their work while you are doing your regular life things. Just connect your Binance account or OKX to Dr.Bit with API keys. Click on My Trade and click on Add API. And here you can see you can choose exchange, Binance or OKX. For example, I want to connect my Binance. Open the Binance account. Here click on the API management. Click Create API and fill in the API key tag. Pass security verification. Save the API key and secret key for the first time because the secret key will be hidden after the page is refreshed. Just copy the API key and paste here, and also copy the secret key and paste here. Make sure turn on the enable read and enable futures permissions and click on access. Now go and click on top traders and you can copy any traders. Just click on copy and then click on confirm. And make sure you must have funds on your exchange. Or you can also deposit or withdraw your money easily on this website. Click on your profile icon and click on personal center. Here you can see recharge option. If you deposit 50 USDT, you will get 8 USDT as a gift. If you deposit 500, you will get 80. And if you deposit 5000 USDT, you will get 800 USDT as a gift. And next we have withdraw button. From here you can withdraw your profit. And the good thing is, it doesn't matter even if you are a beginner. You can join this platform and earn money. So the link to this website is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.